Hi, I'm Stephen Kemp, the co-owner of the Orkney Distillery in Kirkjuvagr, Orkney. We are the makers of Kirkjuvagr Gin, and of course we made Yuletide Gin that you all received as part of your Christmas box last year with Craft Gin Club. We were really fortunate that we had lots of time to work very collaboratively with Craft Gin Club, so the whole team met back in those days on Zoom because of lockdown, of course, and we came and went with lots of good ideas. We gradually developed the samples, and eventually we came up with the gin Yuletide, which is of course quintessentially Christmas in a bottle. In Kirkjuvagr here we have the bar, which is an age-old tradition. Some say it's the origins of football. I was really lucky back in 1997 to win the boys bar. So it's a leather ball, it's a mass scrum type game played through all the streets in Kirkjuvagr on Christmas Day and New Year's Day every single year. I'm in the uppies and we're hopeful that we'll win, but there's always one of us that's disappointed. My favourite way to drink gin over the Christmas and New Year period is to create a mulled gin. We have it here at the distillery and it's a lovely smell when you walk into the bar. It's lovely around Kirkjuvagr here at that time of year when you walk in around all the cosy pubs, and generally they have mulled gin on the go or mulled wine. And so personally, that's my favourite way to enjoy gin at Christmas time, and likewise it's my favourite way to enjoy Yuletide. Last year, my wife Ali gave me a Craft Gin Club membership for Christmas, so I guess I absolutely have to say that that's the best Christmas gift I've ever had. And of course, when the uppies win the bar. Cheers! All the very best for Christmas and New Year from here on Orkney.